Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then again 7 minus 7 is equal to also 0. Then 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P means parentheses, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have same priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have same priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here is subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication, okay? Because multiplication have first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. So 7 minus, now 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 49 minus 7, okay? Now here is subtraction and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42 minus 7. So now minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 49. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 49. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.